Hello everyone, and welcome to our webinar on batch record review, helping you with compliance and effectiveness. We're going to have quite a full agenda today. We'll be going through a lot of different parameters pertaining to batch record review. When I'm doing a batch record review webinar, I do like to highlight a lot of the good documentation practices that really need to be followed, not only in batch records but also in laboratory notebooks and things like that. We all know if it's not documented, it's not done. That's kind of the cardinal rule of what we do here, with our training and obviously with what FDA expects of us. It's appropriate to write in a document and some of those good documentation practices that we learned as entry-level employees. We'll also go through some skills and responsibilities of a batch record reviewer. I'll give you maybe some tools that you might be willing to implement to help your process go a little bit faster or maybe more efficient. And then we'll look at some interaction between manufacturing or production operations and quality reviewers. And then we'll end the webinar with discussing some of the extensive training plans that perhaps you would like to use for your batch record reviewers at your site. Pharmaceutical firm. As a batch record reviewer, whether you're in QA or operations, you're trying to catch errors before that product is released for sale, and that could save the company thousands of dollars. Properly training yourselves as reviewers or properly training your people as reviewers is a very valuable thing for the quality assurance unit. Your training really should include a goal of consistency and accuracy and thoroughness, and you can follow up on that, as I said, through the periodic reviews of your folks and of the data that they're actually reviewing. So at this time, we have a few minutes left. We can do some question and answers pertaining to batch record review if there are any out there.
I have just one question. Is there any experience with a risk-based approach, which part has to be reviewed by production and QA, and which part can only be done by production?
In my experience, I haven't really seen companies actually just do production review for some parts and then quality review for other parts. With the FDA regulated industry, the requirement is that both production and quality review at the